Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to bind a recovery email and set your security code in Free Fire step by step. So the tutorial today is how to bind a recovery email and set a security code in Free Fire. Before you start, make sure you have a secure email address ready. This email should be different from the one you use for your bound platform account and should not be shared with anyone else. First, log in to the Free Fire account that you want to bind the recovery email to. Once you're in the game, tap on the Settings icon. Inside Settings, tap on Bind. Now follow the on-screen instructions to enter your recovery email address. After entering the email, tap Send to request a verification code. Next, open your email inbox and look for the verification code sent by Garena. Go back to the game, enter the verification code in the verification code field, then tap Verify to complete the email binding process. After your recovery email is successfully bound, you'll move on to setting up your security code. This security code is important because it can be used to reset or change your recovery email in the future. Enter a 6-digit security code in the security code field, then enter it again in the confirm code field. Make sure no one can see your screen while doing this and keep the code safe. Once done, tap confirm. A confirmation image showing your security code will appear. It's a good idea to save this image so you don't lose the code. After setting your security code, you're almost done. There is a 15-day buffer period before the recovery email becomes fully active. This buffer period is there to help protect your account and gives you time to cancel the process if the binding was done without your permission. Once the buffer period is over, you'll be able to use your recovery email to recover your account or change your bound platform account if needed. If this video helped you out, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel for more Free Fire tutorials, and leave a comment below if you want help with another guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.